In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Notion and seamlessly embed it on a page, dashboard, or database for easy accessibility in 2025. Let's get started by heading over to Notion. Simply open your browser and navigate to your Notion space. If you already have an account, log in. If you're new to Notion, you'll need to create an account first. Once inside your workspace, we'll move on to the next step. Now, let's find the location where you want to place your calendar. You can either choose an existing page or create a new one to suit your needs. If you'd like to use an existing page, simply click on it. Alternatively, you can create a new page by clicking on the New Page button, typically found in your sidebar. This is a great option if you want to keep your calendar separate and organized. Making a new page allows you to customize it from scratch. Once you have your page ready, we'll add the calendar by using Notion's /command function. Simply type the / key on your keyboard, followed by the word calendar. As you start typing, you'll see a drop-down menu with options. Select the calendar option to insert it into your page. This command is a handy way to quickly add specific elements, like a calendar, without needing to navigate through various menus. With the calendar inserted into your page, you'll need to set it to display correctly by selecting the desired view. Click on the Calendar View option from the list that appears after inserting the calendar. This will transform your database into a traditional calendar layout, making it visually easy to comprehend. It ensures that your entries are organized by date, offering a clear and intuitive overview of your schedule. The final step is to customize your calendar to make it truly yours. Locate and click the settings icon, which you can usually find in the upper right corner of your calendar. Within the settings, you'll have several customization options at your disposal. You can adjust the appearance, manage how your events display, and decide on other preferences to tailor the calendar to your specific needs. It's all about making sure it fits seamlessly into your workflow and enhances your productivity. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a calendar to your Notion workspace and configured it to suit your needs. This process will help you keep track of your tasks and events efficiently, all within the same digital environment. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, feel free to pause the video and rewind to the parts you need to revisit.